Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I'm gonna show you how to make an infinite water source in Minecraft, and I'm gonna show you in this video two ways. One with only one bucket, and the second one is gonna be using two buckets. So let's get started. The first thing, guys, is we need to do is to actually get a water bucket. So I'm going to get my thing by going the game mode thingy. So slash game mode creative. This will give me all the things in the game. So let's get water, and I'm gonna have three ones, and I'm gonna add also a bone meal. So this is for this, it's for this tutorial. I'm gonna also need an empty bucket, so let's get an empty bucket, and there we go. So now what we need to do is to go back to survival mode, and let's go somewhere where we can actually dig. So I'm gonna go here, and now let's start with the first method. The first method requires you to dig 2 blocks down and put in water right over here. Once you do that, click here, and this will grow up a seaweed. Break it down, and this, what it does is basically turns your water into an infinite source, which means if I take this, I will have another water below it. So only with one bucket I can make now 2 buckets of water. Now to make the infinite water, I'm simply gonna do this, and as you can see, here it is, my infinite water bucket. So now I can take as much as I want, and the water will never finish. Now what about the second method? The second method is the same, but it's pretty simple as well. So what you need is only 2 buckets instead of one, and now what you need to do is to break 2 blocks in two, which is a square, and put one in a corner and the second one in the other corner. And as you can see now, I have infinite water in the game. As you can see now, I can put as much water as I want, and it will never end. And yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next tutorial.